It's going to be reading for the sign of Pisces for the month of August. Sorry for coming in late. My Wi-Fi has not been working well, so could not post. Okay. So yeah, the first card we have for you here is the Magician and Six of Pentacles. Some of you are working really hard in order to get your family life together, your finances together. Some of you might be wanting to provide for your family if you are not being able to. You are literally wanting to work very hard, and you are wanting to make things work this time. With Nine of Fire, the past, I would say, 9 months for you or 9 weeks for you have been very difficult, but you are not wanting to quit. No matter what happens, you're still wanting to stay there, fight for what you believe in, and fight for what you want in life. Okay, so a very much standing up for yourself energy. Okay, so not wanting to give up, wanting to move forward. So yeah, let's start. So currently, what's happening in Pisces life spirit, if we may know? Currently we have Queen of Fire, so you are very much I would say you are wanting to go after your dreams, your goals. Okay. I would also say you're very inspired in order to move forward. Okay, with Ten of Fire, even though circumstances around you are not so supportive, you are still wanting to do or make things work this time. Okay, so with Ten of Fire, things might not be very happening in your life right now. Things are very difficult. With Ten of Wands, you could be going through a lot in your overall life, but I'm not wanting to quit at no which level. Okay, with the transformation card, you guys are going through a lot of transformation. Also, for some of you, you guys have gone through a lot of lessons and you have learned through all these lessons. With Eight of Fire, you are very much focused and inspired on moving forward, following your passion. Okay, I see you being in good energy, even though things are difficult around you. I see you being in good energy. Okay, wanting to stay focused on moving forward, like even if things are difficult, no matter what happens, you're going to be very much focused on moving forward. With the Lovers card here, some of you guys have choices. Okay, regarding whether you should focus on your love life or your career. I believe you need to focus on your career because your love life looks pretty messed up, man. Nine of swords, that's Nine of air, which tells me that not so happening. Okay, it gives you more nightmares than it makes you feel good about it. Okay, top card is Five of Earth. Right now you might be feeling left out in the cold by this person. This person is not giving you attention, neither you have a basic idea as to where this is going. Okay, so let's start. In terms of soulmate, if you have a soulmate, you shall continue watching the video. So far this is what I have for you in terms of energy. Okay, with the Fool card, many of you guys will take that leap of faith towards the unknown. So regardless of whatever is happening, whatever is stopping you, I believe you're very much focused and inspired, and you have made your mind on in order to move forward in life. Okay, so yes, following your passion. Okay, so in terms of soulmate connections, let's start. With Justice card, some of you might be in connection with the Libra. It doesn't have to be, but some of you might not be in communication with this person. Okay, with Ten of Earth, either it could be that one of you is very focused on finances. Okay, and that's always been a problem. If it's not that, one of you is married. Okay, and that's been a problem. Like, you guys cannot be in a commitment because one person is not completely available. Okay, this is not going to be for everyone. If it's not that, your person is way too focused on stability and finances. Okay, so yeah, let's start. One card for what's happening. What's the current scenario like? The energy between the two. One card for the energy between the two, between Pisces and their soulmate. With Ten of Air, you guys are going through endings. Bottom card is transformation, that is death card. So right now you both are basically going through endings. Ten of Swords. Ten of Swords is you guys have gone through a lot in this relationship. This relationship has not been fulfilling in any which way. Rather, it has caused you more pain, more issues. This person has made you feel, very much used. I would say this could go vice versa. This might be the Pisces doing it. So take it accordingly. With Ten of Swords, it is a very bad energy. Like you guys have gone through a lot, a very painful situation. Okay. With Patience, you guys have been very patient, I would say. Okay, patience is temperance, so that tells me that you guys have tried your level best to maintain this connection, to give in this connection, to possibly see if this connection gets better, but nothing has worked. With Ten of Swords, right now you guys are going through an ending with this person. Okay, let's just see their energy towards you now. Pisces soulmates energy towards Pisces. Pisces soulmates energy towards Pisces. What is Pisces soulmates energy going to be like towards Pisces? Many of you guys could be dealing with a air sign possibly, or a earth sign possibly. Okay, air sign being Libra, Gemini, Aquarius. Earth sign being Capricorn, Taurus, and Virgo. Okay, so right now I see Chariot card. This person has interest of coming forward. Some of you guys might actually meet in person this coming month. With Justice card, I believe this person will want to come forward, but do not really expect much from this person. This person might be sexually attracted towards you, but when it comes to expressing emotions, feelings, this person just does not open up. Okay, I feel there is going to be communication. If you are wanting to ask if there's going to be communication, and if you are concerned, yes, there will be communication. I also see some of you meeting in person, like a date, like a practical one-to-one date. Okay, so in terms of how are they thinking about you now, one card for how is the Pisces student possible thinking of Pisces now. How is the Pisces student possible thinking of Pisces now? Okay, sorry. With the Emperor card, I believe this person is a very controlling person. They do not share much, say much, do much. They are all concerned and very much focused on themselves. Okay, someone who's very detached. Someone who does not want to show any sort of emotions, because they believe that showing emotions is a weakness, and they are not wanting to make themselves feel that they are not wanting to be vulnerable around you in any which way. Okay, for some of you, this person might be a Taurus as well. Okay, I also see Cancer for some of you. Okay, with Ace of Fire, sexually they are very much interested, but emotionally this person is not giving in. Okay, if you're asking me if this person is interested in terms of like sexually, are they into you? They are very much into you. Trust me on that. Okay. So one more card coming forward. How are they possibly going to come forward towards you now? How are they possibly going to come forward towards Pisces? How are they possibly going to come forward towards the sign of Pisces, if you may know, Spirit? With High Priestess, I still feel some of you guys are not in a physical relationship. Like, you guys are apart from each other. Even if this person comes by, this person is not going to say much, do much. I still see resistance from this person's side. I do not like the High Priestess as to how they will come in front of you. Okay, for some of you might be having a telepathic connection. You guys kind of feel what this person wants to say and stuff, but you guys do not communicate. Okay, some of you might not even understand the term telepathy and all that shit, but still. Okay, with Three of Fire, this person is going to make you wait. It's not going to be like they're going to come in fast. I don't see that happening. Okay, this person is definitely going to make you wait. Right now nothing could be happening. There is a that detachment going on. So yeah, one card for what you could expect from this person in the coming weeks. What you could possibly expect from this person in the coming weeks. What can Pisces possibly expect from their person in the coming week? With Wheel of Fortune, I do feel this person will make a move towards you, but this person goes hot and cold on you. Okay, sometimes they come forward, and if they meet you in person, they are very much warm and stuff, and whenever they are away from you, they get all detached. So they go through cycles. Basically, sometimes they are hot, sometimes they are cold, sometimes they give you attention, sometimes they behave like you do not exist. Okay, so with Wheel of Fortune and Magician, I do feel they will put in action, or they will want to possibly take action towards you, like want to make it work and all that shit. But it will take time. It's not going to be fast. Okay, so yes, in terms of their feelings, however, one card for their current feelings towards you, one card for their current feelings towards you. What are their current feelings towards the sign of Pisces, if you may know, suited? What are their current feelings towards the sign of Pisces? Their current feelings towards the sign of Pisces, please. Three of air. Currently, they feel a separation with you. Some of you might be in a third party situation. Three of swords in terms of feelings is either this person feels heartbroken without you, or this person has feels like you have kept them into a third party. Okay, could be either. Either they feel you have kept them into a third party, they could have kept you into a third party, but however, whatever is happening, they feel a detachment, they feel a a heartbreak with you. Like, they miss you basically. Okay, they might not say it out loud. With 10 of earth, for many of you, your person is already in another connection. If it's not them, it's you. The reason why you guys cannot come together is because one of you guys are in a stable like a committed relationship. Okay, with six of earth, some of you guys, I believe this person cannot give you more than what you want. Okay, they cannot give you more than what you're wanting. Sorry, not what you want. Basically what you want from them is a commitment. Basically what you want from them is to provide, and they are not doing that. They are only wanting to give you sexually. Okay, as of now I say that. Okay, so in terms of what's blocking them, in terms of what's blocking Pisces soulmate from coming towards Pisces, what's really blocking Pisces soulmate from coming towards Pisces, if you may know. Seven of earth, there is this stagnancy going on. For many of you, they cannot take action due to circumstances. However, this person has been very, very slow in, coming towards you. This person has been kept you waiting for a long time. Some of you, like selected few of you, are in a relationship or in connection with this person for more than 7 fucking years. Okay, and some of you, it's like 7 months. Okay, but this person has kept you waiting. Okay, they are still to make a decision based on you. When it comes to decision making, it could either be that this person has to end something in their life in order to come forward towards you, and they haven't made that decision yet. They are still waiting, still contemplating, still at crossroads, messing up shit. Okay, so yeah, in terms of where this connection is possibly moving forward, for Pisces and their soulmate, where this connection possibly moving forward for Pisces and their soulmate. God, so where this connection possibly moving forward for Pisces and their soulmate. With messenger of air, that is knight of swords, I believe some of you guys will kind of be in communication. Okay, there is still resistance from their side. Right now I see hermit, so there is no possibly physical like a connection that's going on. You guys are separated. Even if you guys stay like close by, I do not feel you guys meet often. I do not see a very much vibing communication going on. You guys hardly talk to each other. Most of you might be in no communication. Okay, so I do feel, based on the bottom card here, 9 of fire, that there is a lot of resistance from this person's side. Some of them might feel like they are not in a position to provide you. Okay, like they are not going to be able to provide you in terms of a proper relationship. Okay, some of them might have to end something in their life in order to come forward. Some of them might be childish. They feel like they have done their best, and it depends on you. Like, you have to take action, or you have to come forward. So let's see, like, basically what are they wanting from you now. What's this person possibly wanting from Pisces? What's this person possibly wanting from Pisces? Spirit, if you may ask. This card, like, what do they possibly want from Pisces? Page of earth. Right now they do not want much. They want a small give and take connection. I do not feel like this person is very much open for commitment as of now. Okay, I'll be very honest with you. With page of earth, yes, they want something to start between the two of you. Yes, they want you to have a very give and take connection. But as of now, they do not or are not in a position to offer a commitment. Okay, if you are waiting for a commitment this fucking month, I do not see that happening. Okay, with the Fool card, they also want you to take a leap of faith towards them and to believe and have faith that this connection is going to move forward. Basically, take a leap of faith towards them. With page of earth, some of them might want you to stay open to the connection. Okay, so let's take love message from your person now for Pisces. Love message from your person. What does Pisces need to know? All that Pisces need to know. Okay, so for some of you, this person, is wanting to say that you leave me breathless without words. So they love your beauty, they love the way you look. Okay, they miss being around you. Even though you guys are not in communication, they still feel this connection. Okay. One more card that Pisces need to know. Special message from your person. I feel like we met at the wrong time. Okay, so that's been a problem. Okay, so just like I told you, right now they are not in a position to give you commitment. I get dreams about you, I get dreams about us. So in their dreams, they might be meeting you, good for them, but physically, you guys are not together. Okay, however, this month do not expect much. I do not see much. I feel there's going to be communication, but not the communication you would like. Okay, so I see a lot of detachment from their side. They are not willing to give in much. Okay, in terms of what are they wanting from you, they still want you to stay open to them, still want you to basically have faith in this connection. Okay, they feel like you guys met at the wrong time, so they might want more time with you, or they might want you to be more patient with them. Okay, so yes, this was your reading for the sign of Pisces. I love you guys, and if you really connected with this reading, please do hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and if you are on Instagram, come follow me on Divine Soul Guidance. Thank you so much, people. See you soon. Cheers.